following video shows users how to use the P5000i USB microscope when connected to a T-BERD mainframe. There are FiberCheck Probe videos if using FiberCheck Probe. Press the on-off hard key to turn on the T-BERD. Connect the P5000i to the T-BERD using one of the USB ports on the top of the mainframe. Attach the required tip to the P5000i. Note UPC fibers need UPC tips and APC fibers need APC tips. Press the home hard key once the T-BERD is on. Activate the P5000i by touching the microscope icon twice with finger or stylus. The P5000i is activated once the icon turns yellow. Press the Setup hard key. Press the Analysis soft key. Select the correct tip and profile, commonly single mode UPC and standard tips. Most users set Capture button to freeze and test and Auto Center to yes. Insert a jumper into the P5000i or insert the P5000i with a bulkhead tip into a patch panel port or bulkhead. If a mating adapter is put on a jumper can be inspected with the bulkhead tip if the user prefers to use one bulkhead tip instead of switching tips. Press the Results hard key to view inspection images. Switch magnification levels by pressing the High Mag, Low Mag soft key or by pressing the rectangular gray button on the P5000i. Focus by turning the silver or chrome knob on the P5000i. Test an image by pressing the tiny circular button on the P5000i or by pressing the Test soft key on the T-BERD 8000. Note that if a test instrument such as the OTDR or others is being used at the same time as the P5000i, press and hold the Results hard key for 2+ seconds to toggle between the P5000i results and test instrument results such as OTDR.